All right, so these are some of my most inexpensive gifts, and they just happen to be some of my best sellers as well. Let me show you how I do them. So I found these boxes here, this box here of the cupcake or snack cups at Dollar Tree. And they have these every holiday, okay? So this one says, Love is sweet. And what I have chosen to do is we're going to take a pair of these fuzzy socks, okay? We're going to make this a simple gift, okay? I got a couple of things from the Dollar Tree, and I already had some things in my stockpile. So we are going to work it out, all right? I am going to fold this. I'm actually going to leave that up and fold it this way because I want it to stick up right there. Okay. I'm just going to stick it in the cup like that, right? And then I have a juniper berry hand cream. So we're going to put that right here like that. Okay. And then I have these little sticks, these little, I think they're scatter. I found them at Dollar Tree and I painted them. So I have put a little toothpick on the back of that and I'm sticking that right in here like that. Okay. And that's a cute little thing by itself, but we're not finished. So I have this bag and I already have a piece of foam board at the bottom and I put some of that snow down there. I attached it already. I did a few of those already before for Christmas, and so I had them still, and I'm using that now. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of this shred down here, okay? Because I still want a little bit more, and I'm always making a mess. Don't mind that. Okay, so we have that down there. And then I have this. So I have some, I'm looking at it right now. I have a, hold on one second. See if I can reach it. Yay. I have a book of cardstock and it has all these different colors in here. Okay, colors and patterns and all that throughout. And I've been using it, okay? So I've taken one and cut it down to size, and I'm going to use that as my backer in here. Okay, slide it down just like that. Move that out the way. Sorry about that. All right, I'll move that over here. And since we've already done that, now we're going to take this little bear. These come in a set of 2 at Dollar Tree for the same price as 1. So I separated them, and this one says best. Okay, we're going to put that just like this. And then we are going to place this right over here, just like this. Just like that. Okay. And then I have a lollipop. So we're going to take this lollipop and we're going to put it just like that. And just like that. All we need is a bow. And we're going to keep it simple and give it a pull bow. And these are some pretty pull bows. I just got these from Amazon. I've never used this kind, and they are very pretty. Okay, I don't really like pull bows uh, but however, this is pretty. This is actually pretty. Okay, this is actually pretty. Some pull bows look cheap, okay, and some do not, and these do not. I'm gonna give you a close up in just a second. It's hard for me to get these two strings apart. Okay, here we go. I'm tying that now, and I do it in a knot so it doesn't come apart. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And I also have a balloon. It says I love you. Okay. So we're going to place the I love you balloon right here. And then we're going to attach the bow. And I can't snap it because of the candy and the board up here. Things are a little bit too high. So we don't have to. We're going to do it like this. And just like that. Put it in a knot. And I could leave that string on there, but I don't want to. I use these, so I will use this for something else because we know I recycle. And if I only cannot, okay, if I can let go of it, okay, there we go. So this is how it looks. Nope, it's not. Because I want to put a little bit more shred down here. See that? I'm trying to get the shred down here. It needs a little bit more right there. Probably should have used something other than the scissors. Or the other end. Or the other end. See? Ta-da! Ta-da! Yes, that's better. All my shreds down here. Okay? Yes. So this is one. Okay? This is one. And each one of these is just a tad bit different. It has something different in there. A different pair of socks, different type of candy, a different stuffy, a different balloon, a different type of lotion. And this one has the XOXO. That was also scatter. Okay. And I'm going to put a bow on here. So let me do that. I just realized that needs one. How about that? I had it sitting there like it was done. It's not, but it's about to be. Oh, gotta find the two pieces. And I did not know this. Let me move this out of the way. Okay. Oh, hoy, hoy, hoy. When you receive the bows, they look like this, okay? They look like this. You got to be careful when you pull them apart. But sometimes the two strings will come from inside, and then you can't use the bow. So you got to be careful. But you're going to be looking for the two pieces that stick down at the bottom of the bow, and that's these two pieces right here, right? When you find that, in between there is the two pieces that you're going to have to pull. Now, you can't tell it's two pieces because they're always stuck together. All right, I see it now. I see it. I'm trying to get them apart. There they go. See? It's two pieces. So now you grab those two pieces and then you slowly pull. Just like that. Just like that. Okay? That's why it's called a pull boat. Okay? Mm-hmm. And I said it like that because common sense is not always so common. I did not get it at first. All right. Let's see. So we double that so it does not come apart. Uh-oh, did we do it too hard? No, there we go. We double that so it doesn't come apart. What did I just do? What did I just do here? Here we go. I just need to pull the other part, the other side. All right. So now I am going to add my bow. And I just bring the string through. I don't know why I'm trying to fix it before I put it on there. Why? I don't know. But because I'll be fixing it again and again and again and again and again. If you do this, you know. The bow thing, period. You're constantly fixing over and over and over. Especially if the wind hits it or somebody touches it. But if you move in transit, you have to fix them up anyway. All right, clip that. And now it's done. There we go. I was like, what's wrong with that? What's wrong with that one? And I made these little tags, okay, with my Cricut. You make simple little tags. Yes. So that's one. That's another one. And here's another one. And as you can see, not much change, okay? Not much change. Oh, I see. Actually, this one needs some candy, so I'll be adding. Oh, and I'm going to show you something with that too. So let me move that over here. Here's another one. Right here. Ooh! Like I didn't see that coming, okay? Like I did not see that coming. Good thing there's nothing breakable in any of these. Okay, and then this one here is black and red. With a little monkey. Okay. So this is the idea that I had. Excuse the junky table, I'm working. This is the idea that I had. I got these little containers from Walmart, and they're shaped like hearts, and they hold treats. So I filled this one with jelly beans and the candy bracelet, and this one has hot tamales and the candy bracelet. So since I need candy, that one needs a balloon, okay? Since I need candy for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here. I'll turn it around in 1 second. Oh yeah, see that? Yes, 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 yes. Okay, guys, I cannot wait to hear what you think. Simple, easy gifts that anybody can do. It is the snack cup, some fuzzy socks, scatter, okay, that I made into the cupcake picks, and then a little hand lotion, a balloon, a stuffy, and some candy. How much do you think I should charge? How much do you think I do charge for these for Valentine's Day? because each holiday is different. What I have to put in them, the amount of things I put in them, all of that is different. So this particular one, what would you charge? Tell me. I can't wait to hear. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please watch my other videos, and until next time, bye.